Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we look into Dr. Amir Khan, the British physician and TV presenter known for making medicine accessible on breakfast TV. One question often asked, is Dr. Amir Khan gay? Let's dive into what is publicly known. Dr. Amir Khan is a UK-based general practitioner who also appears regularly on shows like Good Morning Britain and Lorraine. He has spoken candidly about the pressures of being a GP and his experiences with arranged marriage culture in his community. He has built a reputation for clear, calm medical communication and outreach on health topics. Is Dr. Amir Khan gay? In multiple interviews, Dr. Khan has discussed his dating life and how he has been introduced to potential partners in his culture, sometimes through arranged marriage settings. He has described being single in recent years and multiple awkward dates, but he has not publicly identified as gay or indicated any same-sex relationship. Based on all available credible sources, his personal life is described in heterosexual terms. As of now, Dr. Amir Khan continues his GP practice and TV work. He remains out in the public eye for his medical commentary, but remains private about detailed aspects of his personal life, including his sexual orientation. There is no verified announcement or statement from him that he is gay. So, to answer the question, there is no credible evidence that Dr. Amir Khan is gay. He has not publicly shared any such fact. What we know is that he is a physician, communicator, and someone who values privacy in his personal life. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now? And Who Are They Really? Stories.